Today, we're going to create some beautiful autumn objects with Play-Doh. Let's start. First, let's make a sunflower. Here's our picture to guide us. We'll use this brown Play-Doh for our sunflower. Rolling the dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Making a long strip for our sunflower center. Now, let's place this brown strip around the circle in the middle of our sunflower picture. And here's a little brown ball for the very center of our sunflower. Let's make the petals now. We'll roll out small yellow pieces for these, placing each petal around our sunflower, making it bright and cheerful. Look at our sunflower. It's turned out so beautifully, just like a sunny autumn day. Next up is our lovely orange leaf. Now, let's make an orange leaf. Here's our picture to follow. For this leaf, we'll use orange Play-Doh, perfect for autumn leaves. Rolling the dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Shaping it just right for our leaf. Let's place this strip along the leaf outline on our picture, creating the leaf's body. Now, we need a small brown stem. This will make our leaf look just like it fell from a tree. And there we have it, a beautiful orange leaf. It looks like it's just come from an autumn tree. Let's move on to a yellow leaf now. Here's our guide. For our yellow leaf, we'll use this bright yellow Play-Doh. Rolling the dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Getting it just right for our leaf. Let's lay this strip on our picture, following the yellow leaf's outline. And now, a little brown stem. This gives our leaf a perfect autumn touch. Look at our vibrant yellow leaf. It's like a piece of sunny autumn. Now, let's create something for Thanksgiving. We have a turkey to make. Here's our turkey picture. We'll fill it in with Play-Doh to bring it to life. Look at this white Play-Doh. White is a clean and bright color. Rolling the dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. To get the perfect thickness for our turkey, next, we'll use brown Play-Doh for the turkey's body. Let's roll it out and place it over the picture. We're shaping the brown dough to match our turkey, making sure every part is covered. And our turkey is complete. Look how festive it looks, just in time for Thanksgiving. Next, we're going to make a delicious pie. Here's our pie picture. We'll start with the pie dish at the bottom. For the dish, we'll use this gray Play-Doh. Rolling the dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. To make it long and thin for the dish. Now, let's place this strip along the dish part of our picture. Shaping it to look just like a pie dish. Next, we need orange Play-Doh for the pie filling. Rolling it out to fit the top part, let's carefully place this orange dough over the pie area. Making it look full and tasty. And for the final touch, 3 little brown dots on top, like chocolate chips or spices. Our pie is now ready. Look at this yummy creation we've made. It's almost good enough to eat. Now let's create an acorn, a classic sign of autumn. Here's our acorn picture. It's a small but important part of the autumn scenery. We'll start with green Play-Doh for the bottom part of the acorn. Rolling the dough. Keep rolling. And rolling. Until it's long enough for the acorn's base. Let's place this green strip along the bottom part of our acorn picture, just like this. Now for the top. We'll use brown Play-Doh to fill in the acorn's cap. And a small brown stem on top to complete our acorn. Our acorn is all done. Look how it's come to life with a bit of Play-Doh and creativity. Let's move on to making a garden fork. Here's our garden fork picture. We'll start with the handle. We'll use this brown Play-Doh for the handle, representing the wood. Now, for the metal parts, we'll use gray Play-Doh. Carefully placing the gray dough along the bottom to mimic the metal prongs of the fork. And our garden fork is complete. Look how realistic it looks with our Play-Doh. Next, we're creating a rake. Here's our rake picture. Let's start by making the handle. For the handle, we'll use brown Play-Doh to represent the wooden part. Now, it's time for the metal part of the rake. Let's place 1 long strip for the main part and add 5 small pieces for the prongs. And our rake is all ready. Look how it turned out with just a bit of Play-Doh.